Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the IBEX 450 from CF Moto. We have just installed the HIGHLAND X2 rackless bag system from TUSK for the IBEX 450. Now, if you caught one of our earlier videos, I did order in both systems. So this is the Excursion rackless bag system. I decided to not go with that one due to the size of the side pans. So with the X2, the HIGHLAND X2, it does have a much bigger bag on the side. So let me tell you a little bit about how this went. We did install the TUSK top rack on there. I do think that is worth the money to spend to get you a little bit better areas to tie the system down. This is the first soft system I have ever used before. If you guys that have been doing this for a long time see something we've done wrong, I'd love any feedback you have as far as how we've tied it down. If you have any recommendations, I feel like it's where it's supposed to be, but let me know what your thoughts are. The bags right now are not full of goods. They're a little wrinkled up and stuff, but I wanted to kind of fluff them up to give you an idea, one, of the size on that IBEX 450. Again, on this other kit, these bags are quite a bit smaller. Let me just grab this one here. The space looks about the same holding it up the side, but it's not near as wide. It's not as tall. It's not as deep. This system is good quality and will work if you're not wanting to carry as much stuff as I think I'm going to need while I'm out there. So what has been added on here, did the large water bottle systems on both sides. I do have one of the TUSK water bottles in here. Fits in there nice and tight, just down on the inside. I don't know if exactly this is how my setup's gonna go, but thought I'd play around with it anyway. I did order an extra case like this one that's on the back because it will mount up on the MOLLE portion up here. This is a zipper opening, nice little pouch there. This does open up. I've just got some foam in there to try to puff it up for you a little bit. Got some storage pouches there. Great spot for some first aid, some quick release, quick get-to items. This does open up with these straps. And again, this one does not come with it. I selected the kit that does come with the one on the back. You don't even have to order that. You do have a storage pouch back here. You know, again, keep some of your, maybe your license, your registration, stuff like that. Easy get to items. This is the same size as the one on the back. This bag does pop right off. So very nice if you want to fill this full of gear, take it into the hotel or your camp spot or wherever you're at. Easy to detach. And then over on this side, same setup. So same size of side bag. I did the same big water bottle holder on this side. I'm probably going to use this one to hold some cooking butane canisters or something like that. Is that a good idea? I don't know. Makes sense. I'd put it on this side to keep it away from the exhaust, but I'm open to any feedback you guys have. The rack itself does fit on there very nice. It is snug. I don't feel like it's going to go anywhere. I am planning on doing some serious off-roading with this setup. I actually did order the full side panels from CF Moto with the big box on the back. And after reading stuff online, I felt like it'd be smarter to go with the soft system for doing the type of off-roading that I plan on doing. With this kit also, you do have the MOLLE strips on these on this side. I need to do this strap a little bit differently, of course, in order to do that. But I do have the smaller water bottle holders as well. Thinking about doing that. It is going to put them up kind of in my space a little bit more than I think I may like, but it also may hug my butt back in there better anyway. So not 100% sure how that's going to go down. I did order one of the TUSK insulated water holders as well for this smaller size. Still trying to decide what I'm going to do with that system. So what are your thoughts? I'd love any feedback you guys have. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We're getting closer by the day. More and more stuff is happening for this bike. I cannot wait to continue to build this baby up and take you guys along for the ride. But there you have it. Did I make a good decision? There are other companies out there producing a similar system that are approaching $1,000. And where we're a dealer for Tusk, I thought, let's give this a shot. Is it worth half the money? I don't know. I don't have one of the other kits to compare it to. I'm sure some of you guys out there in Facebook, YouTube, internet land have some feedback for me, and I would love to hear it. Again, 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. As I mentioned, we are planning on doing some phenomenal adventure bike rides this year. If you would like to get put on that list, drop us a comment or give us a call. You can actually text that number. Let us know you're interested in getting added to our ride list. We'd love to head out in the high mountains, out on the desert, or wherever you'd like to go experience your adventure bike. We don't care what brand you're on. We do sell Yamaha, so we've got the Tenerays. We do sell Kawasaki. We've got the KLRs. We've got the KLE coming. We don't care what brand you're on. Come out and have fun with us. A lot of these accessories are universal. They're going to fit a lot of different bikes that are out there. This is one of them. If you need some help getting this product on your bike, we got you covered. Have a great night, everybody.